Hi everyone, it's Deb. I have received this week, I think starting on Wednesday, I could be wrong about that, more happy mail. And this one is from Paige, and I came in this. So Paige, you're a stinker. Oh my gosh. It's mail within mail. She made this envelope. So I don't think they sell them like that. This is huge. This is, oh my gosh. Oh my word, look at this. Let me move these out of the way. This is the Everything is Rosy product suite. Oh my word, look at this. Oh, I don't know even how to do this. This is so cool. It goes like this. This is a, oh my gosh, but this, look at this. It opens and it opens. It's like a never-ending card. Oh, I'm not sure how to do it there like this. This is so gorgeous. Oh, and she stamped "It's Your Day." And this is in rose gold foiling. Isn't that, oh my gosh, Paige, this is so awesome. Thank you so much. Funny thing is, she had been away because her daughter had a baby, and she was there helping for a while, you know, a week or so, and she came home and she said, oh my goodness, I have to apologize, I didn't get you a birthday anything out. Oh my gosh, Paige, this is so awesome. Oh, thank you so much. This is staying out somewhere. I have to make room for this somewhere. This is beautiful. Wow. She is such an inspiration to me. Many of you are, but as far as card making, Paige has really been an inspiration to me. That is so pretty. I have never seen anything like it, but I'm going to be trying to do this going forward. That is so cool. Look at that. And everything is layered with rose gold foil. This is like a whole sheet of 6x6 paper. And then these are all from the product medley, which is in the clearance rack still, if you're interested, over at Stampin' Up. So yeah, isn't that pretty? And these came in the kit. These came in the kit. This came in the kit. These little mirror, rose gold mirror dots came in the kit. And the ruched melon mambo ribbon came in the kit. Everything except the very thick white cardstock that she used came in the kit. And look, this looks like a whole nother 6x6 sheet. Yes, you definitely dug into your paper this time, Paige. Thank you so much. That is gorgeous. Oh, there she wrote, happy birthday, Deb. Love and hugs. Oh, thank you so much, Paige. I love it. I love it. And then she sent something else. What a stinker. She even made it so I can reuse the bag. Which I love. It's turquoise. Oh my goodness. Oh, I have to look at this first. Oh. Now we've been in, well, up through last year we were in House Mouse collaboration, but nobody is running it officially this year, so we're just gonna make some every now and look at that. It's a house mouse one with the strawberry, and here's the stamp. Did you make this? Oh my gosh. If so, how did you do that? It's like ceramic. Did you stamp it, color it, and put resin on it, or did it come like this? I don't know. Oh, so cute. So cute. The mousy blowing out a candle in the strawberry. I just had some strawberries last night. I had them, bought them at the discount grocery store. No, I didn't. I bought them at the Shady Maple Market last Monday, and then I got really sick on Wednesday, I think it was. I was making my cards and I couldn't eat any of them. But I did have a couple yesterday and thought I'm going to try it. So anyway, oh, how cute. Look, it's a little pocket planner with house mouse. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. I don't know if I could use it. It's so cute. Where did you find these? Oh my gosh. And it's current year. information instead of information. Important information. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, this is adorable. I would really mess it up writing in here. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. I might have to see if I have these stamp sets to use in these months. I don't have that one. I know that. Gonna have to be looking for that one. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. So, so cute. Oh, I don't have that one either. Playing guitars and music. Awesome. Juggling peanuts. And oh, I think I might have this one where they're using leaves as a kite to pull them up. I might have something like that. I'm not sure if it's that one. I don't have this one where the little mouse is snuggled under the bird. That's so cute. They should tell you which pictures these are. Look, there it is. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Meet Our Mice. Oh, and it has pictures of which ones they are. Amanda, Maxwell, Muzzy, Mud Pie, and Monica. Meet Our Mice. So cute. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And then we have a desk calendar too. Oh my goodness. Resting or fasting. Oh, this is so cute. Alright, I have to open it. Oh my goodness. Paige, you didn't have to do this. You did not have to do this. So this one stands up on your desk. Now I have mice and kitties. That's really Amanda, Monica, and a friend. Amanda, Monica, Muzzy, Maxwell, and Mud Pie. Oh, that's so cute. I don't have that either. Oh, look at the little umbrella. And, or is it an Easter egg open? I don't know. And then he's holding Easter eggs or candy here. Jelly beans, maybe. Muzzy, Monica, and friend in the rain. What does that say? Fasting? Fast? I can't read that. Anyway. Yeah, really pretty. That's Amanda. Oh, Muzzy and a friend sniffing the bunny. And I think that's Clover, but don't hold me to that. This is the one that was in the other calendar too, with the fireworks for July. Muzzy, Amanda, and Monica with their little flower plant hats and things. I can't turn that. So I think they're the same pictures each month as in the other calendar. These are so cute. Where in the world did you find these? Maybe on the House Mouse website. I don't think to do stuff like that. And this will be good to look at the coloring in these though too, because I see the bellies are a little more pink than what I tend to make them. So yeah, and around the mouths and stuff. So that is good to see. I think that's adorable. The little dove or something with the mouse under it. Maxwell and a friend. Staying warm under a blankie. So cute. Thank you, thank you. And this opens up, which I'm not going to do right this second. But yeah. Oh my gosh. And then we have this little girl stamp. La La Land crafts for scrapping for less. Have a magical day. Aww. How sweet. She's a little princess for the day. Mini Princess Marcy. And I can use that in our Lovely Ladies collaboration on the first of each month. Although I have already picked them out, but I think there's one month I was missing, so I might just put that in there. Cookie stencil, Sunny Side Up Bakery. Huh. Oh, look at that. You're supposed to put them on the icing and then, I guess, put different icing through them. But I won't be using them for cookies. Most likely I won't be using them for cookies. That's a cool idea. And there's 4 designs. But it's all like this fancy scroll work. How cool is that? Love it. And then Avery out. Oh, look at these. Happy birthday clear stamps. We've got foxes with the little foxy tails. They're cute. You party animal. It's called Party Fox by Avery L. It's got a little cake and a party hat thing, or I don't know what that's called. Present and little sugar cubes, I think, and flowers. So cute. Thank you. Oh, I'll definitely make use of that. So that is my happy mail from Paige. I'll come back and do another video and show you all the other birthday cards I got in addition to what I've shown you before. Thank you so much, Paige. You did too much, but I do appreciate everything you've done for me. Thank you, and big hugs. And I love you, girl. Thank you. Bye for now.